my name is Kanavtrika and welcome back to my channel TechPulse Explorations, where I nurture and develop students. And in this video I will be giving a brief introduction about list in Python. But before starting the video, I would request you all to kindly show your love and support by subscribing to my channel. So what are lists? Lists are built-in data structure used to store an ordered collection of items. They are dynamic, resizable, and capable of storing multiple data types. They are mutable, which means list can be changed, updated, added, or removed after the list is created. They are ordered, which means elements maintain the order in which they are inserted. Index based means that elements are accessed using their position starting index from 0. Creating a list. List can be created using several ways, which include square bracket, list constructor, or by repeating the elements. First, using square brackets. Square brackets are used to create a list directly. Then second, using list constructor. A list can also be created by passing an iterable such as string, tuple, or any other list to the list constructor. Then third, creating list with repeated elements. A list with repeated elements can be created using multiplication or asterisk operator. An internal representation of list means Python list stores references to objects, not the actual values directly. The list keeps memory addresses of objects like integers, strings, and booleans. Actual objects exist separately in memory. Modifying a mutable object inside a list changes the original object. Reassigning an immutable object creates a new object instead of changing the old one. Accessing the elements in a list are accessed using indexing. Python uses zero-based indexing, meaning list name bracket 0 represents the first element. Negative indexing is also supported, where list name bracket -1 starts from the last element of the list. Adding the list. Elements can be added into a list using the following methods. First, append. Add an element to the end of the list. Insert. It adds the element in the specified location. Extend. It adds multiple elements at the end of the list. Then second, updating elements. Since lists are mutable, elements can be updated by assigning new values using their index. Removing elements. Elements can be removed from list by the following methods. First, remove method. It removes the first occurrence of an element. Then second, pop method. The pop method removes elements at a specific index or the last element if no index is specified. Then del statement. It deletes an element at a specified index. Then clear. It removes all the elements from the list. Iterating over lists. When we discussed string in the previous video, I have told you that the string can be iterated using loop. Similarly, list also can be iterated using loop, allowing operations to be performed on each element. Then nested list. A nested list is a list that contains another list as its elements. It is commonly used to represent matrices or tabular data. Nested elements can be accessed by chaining multiple indexes. Thank you. And to learn more about Python and MySQL, kindly contact at the detail mentioned in the description box below.